Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this kind of loading animations in Adobe XD. Let's start. Firstly, we need square, adjust it as you want. So I'm going to choose black for borders. Also we don't need inner color, so make it blank. Round all corners so that it looks more appealing. Adjust the position as you want, and later we will need this shape again, so duplicate it. Now we need rectangle again to make Z pieces which moves inside loading box. I do it all black. By double clicking to our object, you can easily customize the shape. I select top corners and move it a little bit to the right. We need quite a lot of this kind of shape, so I choose repeat grid and it automatically generates us identical shapes. Change the distance about to -10. By ungrouping grid we can easily use every object. Bring these objects into our loading box. Now before masking these objects, we need some more this kind of objects. I forgot to make them using repeat grid, but that's fine. I just duplicate whole group and align it so the distance between all shapes are constant. Now select all pieces and group them by clicking Ctrl G. Finally, we can mask these objects. Select both groups of little objects and square and right click your mouse and choose masking. Note that if you don't have masking option here, you should try to bring your square to front. So we got our initial look of loading. Using this square, we can nicely frame all of this. Just copy your artboard, go to masked objects and move little pieces to left. Also don't forget that these two artboards should look the same in order to have smooth experience. I use these objects and I use this object's edge as a reference. This edge and frame's edge is aligned in the same line. Now I go to the second page and align these two edges. You can use this alignment tool by dragging it from left or top of each artboard. Now, as you can see, these two looks identical. Now time to prototype. Connect first artboard to the second one and choose time, and here auto animated. Also we don't want to be any delays, so it is 0. Here we don't want any easing. And lastly, you can set duration. I go with 3 seconds. Now select the second artboard and connect it to the first one. Properties are the same, but in this one we don't need any duration. It should jump to first page right away to provide smooth experience. As you can understand here, it became a loop, so it keeps auto animating our loading object. So we are done, and press play button, and here is our final result. If it's too slow or too fast, you can change it by adjusting duration. Let's make it more fancy by adding the text. Now I hope you understand how auto animation works in Adobe XD. You can make a lot of amazing stuff using this concept. It's all up to you. Remember that using this kind of animations really helps you to shift your prototypes into next level. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to do a lot of videos related to Adobe XD, so please consider subscribing and leave a comment that what kind of feature in Adobe XD I should cover in upcoming videos.